Oh hello, didn't see you there. What's up everybody, Danny Crafts here, and welcome to another episode of Crafting with Daniel. In today's episode, I am doing a basement makeover. So, I don't know if you've seen it, but The Home Edit is a show on Netflix. I also got their book from Indigo on sale for $25, and it comes with a lot of tips for organizing your space. I didn't read the whole thing, but it looks amazing. And then I've also been watching a lot of the Sorry Girls on YouTube, which are these two Canadian girls, who do lots of DIY makeovers in people's spaces. Now, I don't actually have the budget or time to do a real makeover with paint and installations and all that crap, so I'm essentially just gonna move stuff around and try and make it look a little neater. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you all through my basement and show you the spaces that I have to work with, and might do some time-lapse videos of me working through it, but then I will show you guys the before and after. The reason my basement looks like a freaking war zone is because I have a market coming up, and I'm also getting into the busiest season with my Etsy page. So I need a functional workspace, but also a space to design what my space is gonna look like at the market. So let's dive on in. Alright, so one of my main projects is going to be this little corner here. If you've seen some of my previous YouTube videos, you may notice that I used to do a lot of like music video parodies, or kind of these weird green screen videos with like the backgrounds changed. The only problem is that behind here is where I keep all the boxes for my technology and stuff that I've purchased. So that's gonna have to find somewhere to go. I think I want to bring another table over here to make it more of a working space, so I can watch TV while I make orders, but I kind of just need a bigger space to do that. And then my second major project is going to be this space here, which is where I film most of my videos, but it's also where I do most of my Cricut work, play video games, and my sewing and kind of heat press stuff. So as much as I love my messy kind of comic book station here, I think I'm going to have to find somewhere else for them to go. I need to find a more professional place to put my dolls. So that's that on that. All right, so I've made little to no progress so far, but I'm staying positive. I found the table I needed. It's behind all this crap, so that'll be fun to get out. A little more than I bargained for, but we could use a little workout, right? Yeah. All right, so as some of you may know, the first step in the home edit process, I almost just fell over, is edit. So I removed all of my stuff that was behind the green screen. I got rid of the green screen, and look at this space, you guys. I'm gonna turn this into like a nice corner kind of workshop area. I have all the garbage kind of sitting up there. I'm gonna actually have to go to the dump because I'm not gonna be able to fit it in the trash. I'm gonna repurpose some tables here. It's gonna be gorgeous. They used to have all these boxes of packaging and orders that I got wholesale, but instead of keeping them in their boxes, I actually started displaying everything that I would need to be using. Ornaments, jars, aprons, more jars, more jars. Everything is now out and visible, and it actually looks pretty nice. So that's that on that. What's up everybody? I am back after a few days of organizing. My one-day project turned into a weekend project, and things don't look that different, if I'm being honest. But I feel a lot better about where the space is currently at. I only spent $20 on this makeover, and I'm gonna walk you guys through what I did. So let's get to it. I'm gonna get behind the camera now. Okay, so this area is pretty much the same. Over here, please ignore this heinous tablecloth, but this is where my orders are going to be prepared, or when they're ready to ship. They're going to be over here. over here, the green screen is gone, and I now have a table set up. So this is where I package and work on orders. And that is my candle station over there. Some cleaner storage, and I did a little rainbow organization. Not really rainbow, but I tried doing the whole home edit thing. And then over here, I say this looks pretty much the same. Those are all my Funko dolls in the corner. And over here is the $20 I spent on Tupperwares and storage bins from Dollarama, because those things are super expensive at Canadian Tire and Walmart, so I just got $2 bins. Pretty awesome. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode of Crafting with Daniel, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe. It really helps a lot, and we'll see you all next time. I'm going to be making a candle label video next, if that's something you've been requesting. So see you all soon. Bye.